Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix photo disappearing issues in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, clear gallery cache. Open settings, scroll down, click on apps, search gallery, click on gallery, scroll down, click on storage. Here you will see clear cache, and if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache gallery, clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, check hidden files. Open gallery, click on three dots more option, click on hide albums. Here you will see hide albums. And if you want to unhide albums, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, this album will be unhide from your phone. Now go back. After that, check recycle bin. Again open gallery, click on menu. Here you will see recycle bin. Click on recycle bin. Here you will see delete photo, picture or video in recycle bin. Now go back. This is how you can fix photo disappearing issues in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.